How to set up Shopify store for a small business. If you're looking to get started with Shopify and wants to set up your store and you want to create a small business on your Shopify store, here are all the necessary steps you need to follow. Well, we will start off by searching of Shopify in your Google Chrome, and we'll go to the main website of Shopify. Here, just put your email and click on Start Free Trial button, and here it will ask you to sign up with your Google or Facebook accounts. Simply go and sign up with your Google account and your store would be created. After that, you will see this kind of dashboard on your screen. Now the first thing we're going to do is that we will start setting up our store. For that purpose, we'll head over to the settings, which is on the bottom left corner. And in settings, there's is the general section. Here you will put all of your uh, general information. After that, what we will do is head over to domains. The first thing we're going to need is attach a domain to our Shopify store. We can buy a new domain or we can connect an existing one. If we have bought a domain from Hostinger or GoDaddy, simply click on this one. Otherwise, buy it directly from Shopify. Well, after that, the next thing we're going to do is we will head back to the main page of our Shopify store here and we will click on select a plan. Now, if you're new to Shopify, I'll recommend you to start with the basic one. Otherwise, there are very other plans as well present which you can go and select. But for a starter, I'll prefer the basic one, which is $1 for 3 months, and you need to pay $19 after that. Well, once you have selected the plan, simply go put in some of your card details and you'll be good to go. The next step we're going to do is head back to our store and we will set up some of our payment methods by clicking on this option right here. Go to payments, and if Shopify payments itself is available in your region, if you're living in USA, UK, or Canada, countries like that, Shopify payments is available, which is the best payment method to use. Otherwise, you need to go and choose a third party provider by clicking on here. So simply go and choose one, put in some details, install the app, and your payment method would be set up. After that, the next thing we will do is we will head over to the online store section, which is right here, and we will start building up our online store according to our business. For example, if you are to start drop shipping on your Shopify store, you need to set up your store according to that. And after that, we will install some apps that will be useful for drop shipping. For example, this one, or we can start with this one and install these apps, set them up, and your business will be ready to start. Not only drop shipping, you can also start a clothing brand or a fragrance brand. So it totally depends upon you. Well, that's how you can go and set up your Shopify store for a small business. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.